We begin the final lap of the Italian Grand Prix, and they are going to be three abreast by the looks of things going into turn one. Marquez gets the 2 by slipstream on the factory Honda, and Marquez hits the front here in Mugello. Has he timed this to absolute perfection? Asking major question. The technicalities. All three of them almost have contact.
Gua nggak perlu helm karena gue udah pakai helm.
Marquez, and after all that, Petrucci still leads. Petrucci leads, but Marquez is making shapes. He's trying to find a way through on the number 9. Is Rin still in this one because of all what's just happened into turn 1? They flick right. Petrucci, Marquez, Dovi, Rins. Dovi will not want to finish third here. Oh, I thought he was going to have a look there into Safelli, into Casanova, sorry. Now into Safelli. Petrucci half a lap away from a famous, fantastic, unforgettable first victory in MotoGP here in Mugello. Marquez and Dovizioso, they are piling on the pressure. Up into Arrabbiata 2 for the final time. It's still Petrucci. Dovi's got to pounce. He's got to pounce. Is he going to make it into here? No. Marquez is having a look as well. Look at this. Is he going to pull off the move here? No. Dovi's getting close as well. We're entering the final sector shortly. Well, it's going to be all about surely a move into the final corner. Bacchini, can Marquez get it lined up? Can he nail Biondetti 1 and 2? Through current tyre for the final time. And Danilo Petrucci now just 3 corners away from his first Grand Prix victory. Can he offer?